We grow up with a foundational myth that the law is a neutral referee designed to protect the individual from those with power. That neutrality vanishes when the world's most powerful corporations pool their resources into a single global legal strategist. Mega law firms have mastered the ability to consolidate legal influence so effectively that they change the rules of the game for everyone else, while staying strictly within the bounds of the law. Enter the newly merged Perkins Coie. Led by global co-CEOs Paul Jenkins and William Malley, the firm has an unusually direct, publicly documented objective: to advise the institutions shaping the future economy. Their global board operates out of cities from Seattle to Milan to London, demonstrating an integrated reach that transcends local borders. This kind of concentrated influence often sparks internet rumors about secret shadow governments, but there is no secret here. This is a heavily publicized, commercially motivated business strategy. When an organization openly aims to become indispensable to global infrastructure and finance, it creates a systemic weight that is difficult for any individual or local government to counter. In the digital sphere, Perkins Coie has made it a core strategy to dominate the regulations surrounding technology and artificial intelligence. Behind closed doors, their lawyers are drafting the frameworks that allow corporate clients to expand mass surveillance technology, lock down intellectual property ownership, and dictate who has access to your personal data. This legal work takes shape in the physical infrastructure of the internet, guiding the construction of massive data centers. You have absolutely no seat at the table when these legal precedents are negotiated. The rules governing your digital footprint are decided before you even know there is a dispute. When mega firms advise on AI and data regulation, human privacy becomes just another commercial asset to be optimized. Their reach extends equally into the physical world. The firm acts as legal counsel for the industries managing power generation, critical mineral extraction, and national electrical grids. The firm advises on land use, national security permits, and financing for these projects, decisions ensuring a region's resources are locked in for decades. The firm structures massive public-private infrastructure projects specifically to navigate and neutralize regulatory speed bumps. If a local community attempts to push back against development to protect their land or environment, they are instantly outmatched. These industrial changes are insulated from democratic resistance because the firm effectively designs the regulatory environment to guarantee completion. In the civic sphere, the legacy of Perkins Coie carries deep historical ties to lobbying, campaign finance, and election law. Their lawyers famously helped defend Joe Biden's 2020 election victory, a fact that generates intense partisan friction. But the firm itself operates on commercial dominance, not progressive ideology. This introduces litigation leverage. By assembling armies of investigators, PR consultants, and technical experts, their clients gain an insurmountable mathematical advantage over individuals and small businesses. They deploy entirely lawful tools to execute this leverage: sudden injunctions, crushing discovery processes, and confidential settlements. This combination of procedural hurdles and technical expertise creates a level of pressure that often forces a resolution before the merits of a case are ever debated in front of a judge. Most of us walk around assuming we have innate rights to privacy, transparent elections, and a fair day in court. But in a legal environment dictated by Perkins Coie, justice and influence are strictly matters of scale and capital. Modern influence relies on the power to interpret, shape, and apply the law with such precision that it becomes a tool of strategic advantage for the highest bidder. We don't need to fear a secret plan to govern the world. The commercial plan to legally engineer it is already functioning perfectly right around us.